Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to like and subscribe on your way out. So on today's episode of Cooking My Way, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my akara. So as you guys know, very little ingredients is needed to make akara, and so I've got my already clean beans. You can get it from the African shop, so you avoid washing or soaking your beans overnight. And I've got my groundnut oil to fry, because oil is very essential when frying your akara. And I've got my onions, my scotch bonnet, pepper and salt to taste. So now guys, for the quantity of the beans, it depends on you. The quantity depends on the amount of people you're going to feed with your akara. So right now I'm going to wash my akara, because you just can't take it out of the packet and use it like that. You have to wash away the dust. So make sure you rinse it, put it under a running water. You rinse it thoroughly. Like me, I like rinsing my beans twice or 3 times, so I can get all those whitish things out of the beans. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and chop my onion and pepper, so I have it ready when it's time to mix and fry. So to get it chopped, you just have to cut it horizontally and vertically, and then you cut in pieces horizontally and vertically. But anyway, let's get back to work. So as you can see, I'm chopping it into little pieces. Same thing I'm going to do to my pepper. I'm just going to cut it in pieces. So when it's time to mix, I have my ingredients ready. Now I'm going to take my already clean beans and put it in a blender, and voila, it's ready for blending. And so now you don't want to put water immediately, because very little water is needed to blend your beans. Too much water would result in a flat or no akara. I don't want to say I told you so. So now we're just going to blend, and if the water is not enough, you add a little until it's smooth. Yeah, as you can see, my batter is ready to fry. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour the already blended beans back into the bowl, ready for mixing. You can see the texture. It's not too liquid, it's not too soft, like it's just perfect and beautiful. So now I'm just going to mix. Like, you have to have good akara, you have to mix to incorporate air to the batter to get. So now I'm just going to add my onion, my already chopped onion and pepper. But some people, they actually blend their onion and pepper with the akara. But me, I like to see my onion and my pepper. But if you know you don't like to see your onion and pepper, then I think blending will be good for you. So now I'm just going to add salt and listen, and something will tell you it's not enough. Oh my god. So now, just to taste it, I'm just going to take a little by the side, mix, because the salt is to taste, not, you don't need too much of that. If not, it's going to spoil your akara at the end of the day. So now you see I have my akara mixture ready to fry. So let me say this quick, you can also use palm oil to fry, but today I'm going to be using groundnut oil, because to use palm oil you have to go through the bleaching process, which is time consuming. Anybody got time for that? So to fry, you have to place a frying pan on a medium heat and add your oil. So guys, the quantity of oil you add to your frying pan when frying your akara is a major key, because when frying, your akara should float in the oil. If not be akara, can't be that one again. Oh. But anyway, as we go, you're going to see what I mean. Like, your akara has to float in the oil. That way you have a very good texture, like crunchy and all that. But when your oil is small, your akara will be soaked with the oil. So now I'm going to take my already mixed akara and put it inside the oil. The oil should sizzle and the batter should float, just like I told you. So I'm using a smaller spoon. You can see I had 2 spoons. So the spoons are for the sizes, depending on the size you want. So I want a small size, so I'm just going to use the smaller spoon like I'm doing now. You can see, cut the batter and you fry. But if you want a bigger size, you have to use a bigger spoon. So that's for that about the spoon. And so as you see, the oil should sizzle and the batter should float on the top. And this is just so cute. See this beauty, guys. So that's what you're gonna do. You repeat the process till you exhaust the whole bean batter. And so now I'm just gonna turn. And so another thing that is very important is your fire, like the heat you use. Like, you have to be very careful, because if it's too hot, your akara is just going to burn and inside is not going to be cooked. You understand? So now I'm just going to turn with a fork. If you have a kitchen fork, a knife, whatever, even a spoon, anything is going to be good for you. Like I said, no rules. And voila, your akara. No, my akara. My akara is ready, guys. See this beauty. This is so cute. So guys, thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I love you and I appreciate you. But please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on your way out. Thank you very much. Bye.